Yeah. What's going on, YouTube? It's Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, back again for you with another episode. And we have an early review today of these guys right here, the Jordan 4 Thunders. But before we get into that, go ahead and smash that like button for me, please. That would help me out and push this video out into the YouTube algorithm. And if you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscriber button, click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. Now, I am coming off a weekend where my fiance and I were down at the Miami Sneaker Swap, and that was definitely a great vibe. They will be having another one in July. I plan on returning. Plus, later on this month, we have Got Soul, which is going to be down in Miami, and I plan on hitting that up as well. Now, while at the Miami Sneaker Swap, not only were we able to pick up an early pair of the Jordan 4 Thunders, we were able to get 4 other pairs of shoes as well. One of them being the Air Max Big Bubbles. Now, I was able to finally get that pair to my boy Jazz. I'm very happy to get those in his hands, and he was super stoked to get them. But we were also able to make a trade finally for my baby to get a pair of the Jordan 1 Lost and Founds in a size she can actually put on feet. We also were able to come across 2 other pairs of kicks, and it goes along with the theme for today, which are 4s, and boom, we also have the Jordan 4 Messy Rooms. Now, she saw these and definitely said, oh, I really want those. And you know what? That's what we're about over here. You buy what it is you like. Now, the great thing about these here, they also come with white laces, which I think would look 10 times better in the sneaker itself, because the blue on blue, in my opinion, is just a little too much. But they're not my kicks, they're hers, and she'll be able to decide what it is she wants in them when she's ready to go ahead and wear them. And finally, we were able to also get her another pair of Jordan 4s, and this time, guys, it is the Jordan 4 Seafoams. Now, I didn't even know she actually liked these, and had I known that, I would have been able to pick up a pair for her retail, because they did restock a few times. But you know what? Hey, it is what it is. We did get these under market for a really good price, so shout out to the seller for going ahead and hooking that deal up with us. But we are talking about these guys today. Here, the Jordan 4 Thunders. And real quick, reading this box, we have Air Jordan 4 Retro, black, white, or yellow. Now take a quick look before we go to the sneakers. This is definitely not your typical Jordan 4 box. Typically, we would get this kind of style box for the Jordan 4s, but they decided to change things up, and they gave us one here with a flip lid. And when you flip it to the inside, you see here you got the tour yellow insides, and you have the speckled white paper as well. There's nothing else special about the inside of the box. There's no stickers or anything in there, guys. And you have the black spackling all over the black box with the tour yellow Jumpman symbol there in the middle, and of course Flight written across the lid. But let's go ahead and get into the sneakers, and here they are once again. I have to say, the quality of the nubuck on this sneaker is really nice. It's not ashy at all. It's very clean. I don't see any glue stains really along the sneaker at all. And I mean, there's tiny bits of glue, but it's so minuscule that you would have to be like really up on it to even notice it, guys. And man, these came out nice, really nice. Now the retail on these is $210, and they are releasing this coming Saturday. May 13th at all major retailers. Now, as far as JD Sport and Finish Line is concerned, with exclusive access, I believe we should be getting that Wednesday for in-store and Thursday for online, but it's possible that at the making of this video, which is Monday, we might have gotten them for Tuesday. So I'm not totally sure, but more than likely it's going to be Wednesday, Thursday. But real quick, just some of the features. Obviously, we have the flight tag there on the tongue, which is a very nice touch. The white Jumpman there on the back of the heel. We have the Tour Yellow midsole in black all the way around. And of course, we have the open air unit there. And switching to the outsole, it's mainly black with the white Jumpman there on the bottom. And we have a little bit of that Tour Yellow there up in the toe area. And there's not a ton I can really say about this sneaker. Now, this is the third iteration of the Jordan 4 Thunders, as we got them originally back in 2006. They re-released in 2012, and now we're getting them again in 2023. And there's a few other sneakers that are actually re-releasing this year that we had gotten back in 2006. And I would suggest you go back and look at my fall lineup review on some of those kicks that are going to be dropping. I think you'll really like that video. But these here in particular, I can't really say too many bad things about them whatsoever. I mean, you know, mostly Jordan 4s sometimes, especially with the red Thunders that we had gotten. They had all types of quality issues, and I believe some of those ended up in the outlets. Now, these here in particular, yeah, I don't really see these hitting the outlets at all. Now, resale's kind of down on them because they released so many pairs, but that does not mean they're not sought after. The market's just really low because of the amount of pairs that are already out there on the street. So if you are able to cop a pair because you really want them, I suggest you do so. Don't drag your feet thinking that these eventually will, you know, end up going on sale and sit on shelves, because they won't. 4s usually equal 400 when it comes to the sneaker market out here. And these in particular, while the market may be down now, I see them eventually going right on up, lockstep in unison, just like the other Jordan 4 Thunders did as well. So let me know what you think about the Jordan 4 Thunders and the fact that they are releasing again this coming weekend, guys. Is it a must cop for you? Did you already get a pair off the shock drop? Maybe you're trying to double up. Let me know in the comments. I'll definitely be looking to respond to you as soon as I can. And trust me, I have another unboxing for you guys, which is also an early review coming later on this week. But this is Louis of the Way Your Kicks channel, reminding you that every day is a great day when you're kicks.